What if I told you the world might have been destroyed multiple times? That's right, folks. There are some wild theories out there that ancient civilizations were wiped out by catastrophes we can't even imagine. Today we're diving into these mind-blowing theories that are gaining popularity all over the internet. But is it all true? Let's find out together. Get ready, because this might change everything you thought you knew about history. From massive floods to exploding volcanoes, it's time to take a look at some of the wildest theories about how ancient civilizations may have been wiped out. And hey, if you're still here after hearing these, you're a legend, because things are about to get crazy. First up, one of the most famous theories. You've probably heard of Noah's Ark, but what if I told you that almost every ancient civilization has a flood story? Ancient texts from Mesopotamia, Greece, India, and more all talk about a giant flood that destroyed the world. People believe that around 10,000 years ago, glaciers melted so fast that it caused a massive flood that wiped out civilizations across the globe. It's kind of like when you forget to close the fridge and your ice cream melts everywhere, except on a planetary scale.
Dude, that would be the worst thing ever.
Exactly, Chandler. But here's the kicker. There's evidence of rapid sea level rise in places like the Black Sea that could actually back this theory up. So, was there really a worldwide flood? It's possible, but let's keep digging. Now, we can't talk about ancient catastrophes without talking about, you've probably heard the myth about a highly advanced civilization that disappeared overnight. Some people think Atlantis was real and was destroyed by a massive earthquake or volcanic eruption that caused it to sink into the ocean. There are theories that Atlantis could have been in the Mediterranean, near places like Santorini or Crete. Some researchers even think the volcanic eruption that wiped out the Minoan civilization inspired the story of Atlantis. Can you imagine an entire civilization disappearing like?
Dude, that's like losing a whole Minecraft world without saving it.
Exactly, Chris. But the question remains. Was Atlantis real or was it just a myth? Let us know what you think in the comments below. But don't leave yet, we're only getting started. Things are about to get even crazier. Okay guys, let's talk about the sounds fancy, right? Well, it's basically the idea that a giant comet or meteor hit Earth around 12,000 years ago and wiped out ancient civilizations. Some people think this event caused a mini ice age that lasted for over 1,000 years, completely reshaping the Earth. Scientists have found evidence of massive fires, shockwaves, and extinction events that seem to line up with this timeline. Could this be the real reason the woolly mammoths and ancient humans disappeared? Did a giant space rock reset the world? I mean, if a comet is powerful enough to take out the dinosaurs, what's stopping it from destroying early humans, right? It's kind of like hitting the reset button on your computer, except this time it's Earth and there's no backup. Yikes.
Can we at least save the woolly mammoths next time?
All right, let's talk about something a little closer to home. These bad boys are no joke. Imagine a regular volcano, but then multiply that by 1,000. If a supervolcano like the one under Yellowstone erupts, it could potentially wipe out entire civilizations and change the climate for decades. It's happened before, and some people think it's the reason ancient cities vanished. Some scientists believe that eruptions from supervolcanoes have led to mass extinctions and dramatic shifts in the Earth's climate. Could ancient civilizations have been wiped out by one of these ticking time bombs? Let's hope not, because Yellowstone is still active today.
Oh no.
And finally, we have this one's pretty wild. The idea is that Earth's poles suddenly shifted, causing massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and extreme weather that wiped out ancient civilizations. Some people believe that this has happened multiple times in Earth's history, leading to the destruction of advanced civilizations we know nothing about. It's kind of like Earth doing a barrel roll. So, Earth's just out here doing flips, huh? Apparently. There's some evidence of magnetic pole reversals, but it's still a controversial theory. Could ancient humans have been wiped out by Earth's own natural chaos? It's possible, but we'll probably never know for sure. So, are ancient catastrophe theories real? Honestly, we may never have all the answers. But one thing's for sure. Our planet has been through some wild stuff, and it's possible that ancient civilizations faced forces far beyond their control. Let us know in the comments which theory you think is the most mind-blowing. But before you go, we've got a challenge for you. If this video hits 1 million likes, I'm going to explore one of the most mysterious ancient sites by myself. So hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows? We might uncover the truth together.